This is the National Weather Service in Jackson with a special severe weather briefing recorded on Thursday, April 3rd, 2025. Our main updates for this briefing will be talking about a continued potential for severe storms across northwestern portions of our area through Friday, and then a more widespread severe weather threat for Saturday afternoon through the overnight hours Saturday night. In addition, gusty winds will continue to be a threat for today. First, taking a look at the severe weather threat for today, much like on Wednesday, severe storms will be focused along a stalled front just to the northwest of our area. If storms do occur in this area, they could be severe, but it's uncertain if storms will impact our area. If storms do occur and we have severe storms, the primary threats will be damaging wind gusts and hail up to golf ball size, but tornadoes also cannot be ruled out. Across the remainder of the area, it will be mostly dry, continue to be warm, muggy, and humid. And again, those winds will be gusty at times through the remainder of today and into early this evening. It won't be quite as gusty as it was on Wednesday, but frequent gusts in the 30 to 40 mile per hour range are possible, so we could see some additional tree limbs down and some spotty power outages. On Friday, once again, there will be a conditional threat for severe weather across parts of northwest Mississippi, southeast Arkansas, and northern Louisiana. If storms do occur, they could be severe, with the primary concerns being damaging wind gusts and hail up to quarter size. But some of these areas may not see storms at all. The main concern will be from Friday afternoon into the early evening hours. As we head into Saturday, this is when we'll have the greatest potential for severe weather across the entire area, with more coverage of thunderstorms and all modes of severe weather possible. Primarily, this looks like it's going to be an eastward moving line of storms or a broken line of storms, but we're also keeping an eye out for the potential for some storms to develop ahead of that line as well, which could also pose severe weather hazards. The timing with the line looks to be Saturday night through the overnight hours into early Sunday morning. But if we get any activity that develops ahead of the main line, that could occur as early as Saturday afternoon. In addition, there's going to be quite a bit of rain with that front stalling near the area over the next couple of days and then pushing through on Saturday night. The highest rainfall amounts, however, are expected to remain north and west of our area along the stalled front. Those are the areas where flooding is more of a likelihood. We're not expecting as much of a flooding risk as we get into our area, but there could be a few inches of rain in areas like Greenville, Cleveland, and Crossett. In addition, with all of this rainfall occurring to our north, we'll begin to see rises along the Mississippi River in the coming weeks and could begin to see it reach flood stage at some of the points in our area by the middle of this month. In summary, we're continuing to keep an eye on a conditional threat for severe storms through Friday across parts of northwest Mississippi, southeast Arkansas, and north Louisiana. But a more widespread threat for severe weather is expected Saturday afternoon through early Sunday morning. And we will continue to have some gusty winds for today. Thanks for checking in on our weather briefing. We're expecting to update it again on Friday afternoon with another update on severe weather threats heading into the weekend.